What's up, everybody? Welcome to another random car review. Today we're taking a look at the Carbonator. Designed by Alton Takayasu, the Carbonator debuted in 2008 with a Hot Wheels Cola motif. It was a glass soda bottle on wheels with a large spoiler styled as a bottle opener, as you can see here. The original working name for the model was the Bottle Rocket, but the name was not available for use, and eventually they came to Carbonator. Another designer, Mason Chung, translated the design to a digital file, adjusting it for the track and adding cool elements, such as a pop-top design on the bottom of the car. Now, many versions of this have come out, mostly ones for the new year. But we happen to have 3 samples that we're going to take a look at. So first off, we have this one for New Year 2017, blue bottle. Everything above the base is plastic, metal base. It's got the open hold 5-spoke wheels on it, with a metal flake red bottom. The back styled as a bottle opener, and that can actually be used as a bottle opener. The front can actually be used to pop tabs on soda cans. Then in 2017, we have the Lemon Cherry Carbonator with a blue metal flake bottom. They all have these white wheels on them. This one's sporting the same gold or yellow as the New Year 2017 release. And then we have the Holiday Hot Rod for New Year 2018 with a gold metal flake bottom. This one having black on the wheels. So let's take a closer look on the turntable. Oh, now that we've seen them on the turntable, there's only one thing to do here, and we're going to crack open a couple of sodas. Voila. Ben, why don't you crack yours open? You almost got it, buddy. There you go. So see, the car is functional. It can be used as a can opener. And if you're really slick, put a key ring through here, and you can use it as a keychain can opener or bottle opener and have one with you at all times. Let's get to the track. Alright, here we are at the test oval. As a quick note, the batteries in the booster are slowly dying, so we're going to help it as it gets along here. The point here is to see if it can go through a booster, through a loop, a high bank curve, and a low bank curve. So we'll start with the New Year 2017 car. And as you can see, it can make it. Now we'll try the lemon cherry. Carbonator's proven to be a decent car. Last one we'll try is the New Year 2018. One more go around for the lemon cherry, and then we will move on to the race portion. Well, you get the idea. The car can handle boosters, loops, and curves. Just make sure your batteries are full. Now for the racing portion of our video. We got the 3 Carbonators, and they're going to go up against the 2 Scupa de Fuegos from the last episode. Top 2 move on. On your mark. Get set. Go! The New Year 2017 Carbonators moving on. The remaining cars are lined up, especially these 2 that are both from the same holiday hot rod set. On your mark. Get set. Go! And the gold Scupa de Fuego just won. Can the Carbonator knock off Scupa de Fuego and prove that it's better? Let's find out. On your mark. Get set. Go! And the Carbonator proves that it's just a little bit better than the Scupa de Fuego. Now, just like every other episode of Random Car Review, the current car, the Carbonator, will be getting a shot against our fastest Random Car Review car thus far, the Ford front-running Fairmont. Ben has decided that the Carbonator can actually have a chance, so it'll be the first one to 2. The 2 wins. On your mark. Get set. Go! Ben is in utter shock right now. He doesn't quite get it when I'm saying it's those Hot One axles on that car. But we're going to give them another chance. On your mark. Get set. Go! Looks like one of the Carbonators just gave up. Well, the Carbonator's good, but it's not good enough to knock off the front-running Fairmont. Maybe next time. So there you go. That's the Carbonator. Overall, I give it a rating of 4 stars out of 5. It's a good track car. It's got the things built in to catch the booster. It's not going to get caught up in loops or curves and things like that because it has, the proper curving in its base. And it's a fast car. This metal base on it weighs it down very well and gives it some extra speed. So it's another fun little novelty addition to your collection. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to stay up to date with notifications. If there's a car you want to see on Random Car Review, drop a comment below, and if we have it in our collection, we'll take a look at it. And as always, we'll see you in the winner's circle.